Take two.
Terry, come in.
Yes, you wanted to see me, sir?
Yes, Terry, there have been some complaints about you in the office.
Really? My goodness. I can't imagine what the problem could be.
Well, some people say you have a quick temper.
What? I swear if I found out who said that, I will rip their lungs out through their stinking nose.
Calm down.
Okay. You were saying?
Well, I also hear that you have a tendency to be paranoid and insecure.
What? I can't imagine who would say such something. Who said it? Is this on tape? Do I look fat?
You look fine.
I don't have to take this kind of abuse.
So no temper issues then?
Not at all, sir. Is there anything else?
Yes, it's also been brought to my attention that sometimes you can be a little oversensitive.
What? I cannot believe that a person could be so hurtful as to say some mean and cruel and icky things about a human. It's so hurtful.
Please don't cry.
You're fired.
What? I'm your boss.
What are you trying to say? Can you see my dreams? I know I look fat. Fatty McFatty fat.
Can I ask you a personal question?
He was like that when I found him.
Terry, is it true that you're seeing a psychiatrist for a split personality disorder?
No. Yes. No. Yes. Okay, yes. No. What do you ask? Do you want some pizza?
Terry.
All right. You have discovered the truth. I'm a KGB spy here to investigate you and your pasta primavera, Mr. Noodles and Vegetables.
You're not Russian.
Don't you dare contradict me! Mother?
Your mother's not here!
I know! I miss her so much! I had nothing to do with her disappearance.
You know what? Let's continue this tomorrow.
But of course, my little Belgian waffle. We will drink wines and eat snails and do other French things that French do so well. Like complaining and surrendering and things of that nature.
Check, is it working? Is it working?
Get out here.
Please,
Fine.
please work.
I don't need this, or you.
See you tomorrow.
Appreciate your time.